Hi, this is Mila, and oh no, this is the last one that I have. MG's Miniverse Make It Mini, only at Target. This one I got myself when I was traveling to the Cincy event, and now I wish I had gotten more, but it is what it is. I'm looking very much forward to opening it, and weight-wise, I hadn't realized, but it looked like pretty much like close to the pizza, so I'm like, as long as it's not a second pizza. But it is, if it is a second pizza, then I can try and make like a different pizza, I guess. See what I have left over. Okay, it's pointing to something, but oh, okay, there's holes. Regardless, we all know it's not gonna open where it needs to open, so there we go. And then I'll compare it, grade it, make it, all of it. Not in that order though. I'll make it first and then compare it to the other ones. Let's see. There's the bag. Although it looks less empty now. What's this? What's this? What's this? I want to know everything. I'm betting there's the little doggy. Doggy. I'm so like, I love dogs. And I love cats too. You know how people say like, I'm a dog person, I'm a cat person? I'm like, they're fluffy little animals that need us as companions, and like I love them all. And I obviously got my doggy. Okay, so it's not a double because there's some kind of a plastic dome. I guess like this maybe? Yes, that makes more sense. Okay, and I kind of want to look at what it could be, but for the moment I'll just take out whatever is in the bag. Which, by the way, the bag looks different, so that's kind of cute. Sweet and salty. Okay, now I kind of want to look. What comes with a dome? That's my old one. I haven't opened the new one yet. Ooh, the Madeleine. Or the cinnamon rolls. Madeleine or cinnamon rolls? I guess I need to open the rest of it to see. I'm good with either. I love both Madeleine and cinnamon rolls. This is salted caramel flavored cocoa. Okay, I don't think that really helps me, but okay. That's the same guide as usual. So I'll look at it after. The stickers for my students. Ooh, okay. See, that would have been really useful to have for the pizza or something. Oops, or something like that. Okay, I guess the bowl I'll put aside. This is, oh, no, I haven't emptied it. Come on. There are my lovely plastic tongs. Oh, and that's it. Okay, so I'll just put this on this side. Is this all of it? Did I drop something behind? It feels like there should be more to it. Oh, the Madeleine, look how adorable. Oops, this way. Madeleine. Okay, now I feel like better looking at the recipe. So if it's the Madeleine, it's this one. So I'll just kind of turn it around. Okay, I need to dip the Madeleine in the sauce and then put whatever on and then pile them up. Okay, that looks good. Okay, I'm looking forward to making it, but I do feel like I kind of don't want to cure them on this surface, because if I do make it badly or something, then it's going to be stuck there forever. So what I think I'll do is I'll just put all of this away, and I will grab something. Oh, I grab a plate maybe. I do have a plate, but I'm like, I'll make a mess on the plate. Give me a second. Okay, I do keep everything. I'm not a hoarder, but I do keep too much. So I have one of those like 5 surprises that I made way back. And this means I can cure on it, and I can also see what the Madeleines look like on both sides. Okay. So they are all like this. Perfect, which means I have a bit of like play with it. Perfect. And this means as well, I can put this on this side. And with my scissors, because now I have scissors next to me. Okay, let's cut. Should I? No, they're already on the surface, so it's going to be fine. I'll just put it like this. Maybe I should have not, but I guess too late. Oh, I could put it in here. Okay, that's the box from the Madeleine. Okay, my apologies, it's gonna take a second. Let's take out the Madeleines. And this way I can put the, what is it? The sweet and salty nut topping in here, and it'll be way easier to dip into. Although now I'm afraid it's going to fly everywhere. Hey, for once I didn't make a mess. I'm very proud of myself and honestly kind of surprised. Let's do it like this. This way I have a surface that I can cure on once I add everything. Perfect. Okay. Disaster is imminent. Maybe, maybe not. I hope not, because this is my third and last ball for the target. So I hope it turns out like cute. And I think I'll prepare the Madeleines and then I'll pile them on together, like maybe stick them together so they look nice and they stay together. There we go. Okay. So, oops. This I'll put onto the side. This is annoying me, so I'll take it off. Okay. There we go. Because I don't want it to stick into something impromptu. Okay, I kind of want to look at the guide again. I'm sorry. Why am I apologizing? I just need to look at the guide. Okay, so the chocolate sauce is on the front thicker part of the Madeleine. I could just dip it, can't I? Okay, is this going to be a disaster? Where's my actual tongs? I mean the forceps. Okay, this is... Of course I did. Oops. Let's see. This is very slippery. This is really slippery. Okay. If I do this. Oh, how did it go onto the side when I only... Okay. Okay, let's see here. Lovely. Okay, now I'll dip it in here. I think I put a bit too much on this one, but oi, a bit too much, but now I can kind of stick everything to it. I will just press on with my finger, I guess. I know you're supposed to wear gloves and I'm not, but whatever. Okay, it looks kind of cute. And I'm afraid to press too hard because this is very slippery and I don't want to cure this. So, oh, no. So just quickly get my nail log to cure this. Okay, well, it is nicely cured now, but I do have to say that was a bit... Oh, I guess it's not cured. Okay, so I put this one down here and I thought it was cured, but it kind of moved. So I replace everything and then recure. I guess I kind of forgot the whole reason that I put the transparent thing is because I wanted to be able to cure on it. So I will continue making on the Madeleine with the chocolate. And then I'll cure them all at once on, like, do one side and then do the other one, flip it, if that makes sense. And I'm not sure to what degree I kind of want to use the tongues because, okay, no, I want to use the tongues because I don't, oh. Okay, this one I'll be finishing up clearly by hand. Okay. Because I already have a hold on it, so I'm afraid if I were to drop it, it would, if I were to let go of it, it would drop somewhere. There we go. Okay. But it actually looks pretty good, I think. There we go. And there's just, I need a bit here to the front, so. Perfect, okay. So I'll just make all of them like that and put them on there. And that's not going to be too bad, actually, I think. I hope. Maybe if I were to just... Oh, okay. So dunking it in the middle was definitely the best way to go. And to be fair, that's also what they showed on the photo. I guess they didn't make it easier to put on because they didn't want for it to go everywhere, or for the pretzels, or not pretzels, what is it? The salted thingies to be kind of moving around. That kind of works out very nice for me though. Okay, those look really nice, I think. I'm just trying to work quickly so that I can proceed to cure. Okay, I was kind of a bit too generous here, but that's okay. Even if the chocolate shows underneath, like it actually, I think, makes it look cuter. So I maybe should have experimented with the sizing, like to know how many to make. Because I'm pretty sure that if I make all of them, they won't all fit under the plastic dome that I have. So I think it'll be easier to, I guess, finish curing the ones that I already have, like these ones. And then go from there, see if I need to make all of them. Because this way I could just keep them for a different project. And that'll be kind of adorable. So let's cure. Okay, I think they're cured on this side. And now I guess I'll turn them around and continue curing on the other side and see how that works out. And then I'll try arranging them. And honestly, it's kind of helpful that they have different colors on both sides, because this way I can know whether I turned it or whether I didn't turn it. So both cute and useful. I finished curing. I will put this away, and actually it does work out very nicely. It does say Madeleine on it, but I mean, I can keep it just the ingredients. And I absolutely did not use this, which is great because I get to keep it for the mini kitchen. And now let's see. So those ones are supposed to be cured, I guess. Oh, okay, yes, it's cured. Perfect. So how do I put them so they both look appetizing, cute, and it looks like nice and full? Okay, maybe if I were to go this way. Okay, I guess I'll try and tilt it. And this way I can put those ones a bit more on top, or a bit more to the front. I guess I put 4, I should put 5. No, this one looks, okay. Stay. And this one on top. Do I twist it? No. I can always rearrange them anyway. I was wondering whether I should just maybe like glue them in place, but I kind of enjoy them looking as if I could move them and like take one and serve it. It's not a very high pile, so I'm debating whether I should make more, but I think for all intents and purposes, it's nice, because if it's any taller, then it'll be a permanent mess. But yeah, this is what they look like, and I think they look absolutely delicious. And I definitely think that this endeavor was a success. How easy was it to make? It was a bit more difficult, but I think they look absolutely adorable, and I do love having leftovers. And with the dome and everything, I think this is going to take my top spot. Okay, let me know if you agree. You know what? I think I'll swap the caramel popcorn and the pizza. Although the pizza looks quite lovely, I feel like the cheese is a bit large the more I look at it. There we go. So I think my number 1 is the Madeleine, but the popcorn looks really cute. I think I just like the dome of the Madeleine. And okay, so this is my 1, 2, 3. Let me know whether you agree, and I will see you for the next little moment we get to share together. Bye!